guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a Pennywise haul. Before I get into the haul, I want to say happy new year to everybody because this is my first video of the new year. I think my last video was already like October. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. My birthday passed, so happy birthday to everybody that birthday has passed already, especially if you're an Aquarius. Happy Valentine's Day and happy Carnival. So I bought these stuff at Pennywise over the Carnival season, and my main intention was to do a Pennywise haul. Carnival was like almost 3 weeks ago, 2.5 3 weeks ago. So I have been using most of the stuff, but I really wanted to do the haul still, so I thought I could do the haul and like a mini review or something like that. So that's what we're doing in today's video. I'm going to first start with like body sprays. I have this one is the Bodycology Wildflowers fragrance mist, and as you can see I have used a lot already because I like it, but I don't like it enough to repurchase it. It smells good, but I don't feel like I will buy it again. So also from Bodycology I have the Hawaiian Beach body cream and the 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath. These two smell amazing. I always saw them on like Instagram, but I didn't think that they smell as good as they do. This smells like a scent that Bath and Body Works would make, so you know it smells good. So yeah, this is the Hawaiian Beach, so please get the Hawaiian Beach if you see it. Next we have the Suave limited edition Tahitian Escape coconut milk and hibiscus body wash. This was like $35 TT for this big bottle of body wash. It smells really good and it lathers well, which I mean that's like the main things you look for in a body wash. And it also comes with a pump, which is a plus. So next we have the Ella James Seductive Temptation Red Plum Revitalizing Body Mist. This smells so good and it's very strong. Like you can literally smell this from a distance. So get this body spray. This is the Nicole Miller Champagne Roses Sparkling Peach Blushing Rose and Coconut body mist. Again, smells very good. I know it's sounding like everything smells good, but I wouldn't buy something if it do smell good. So yeah, this is the Champagne Rose. It has like a very strong peachy scent. It smells like a peach champagne basically. Next is the Dove deodorant spray, and this is a fresh one. I mean just a regular deodorant sprays on them. I bought a Dove Advanced Care deodorant, and this one is the Beauty Finish scent. It smells really good and it's actually a lot cheaper. I think I pay like $29 for it, and those are like $40 over here in Tobago. I also bought, I wanted like a little hand cream because I'm always sanitizing my hands, so you know that to dry out your hands, so I wanted a hand cream. I bought this Palmer's Shea Butter Raw Shea hand cream, and I really like this. It doesn't like have your hands feeling too oily, so I like this hand cream. Next I have the Dial body wash. This is the Silk and Orchid. This was $34, and these are selling Tobago for $55 to $60. So it's basically like half the price in Pennywise. But yeah, this is the Silk and Orchid. Love this. It smells really nice, like a nice floral body wash. I bought this cream. This is the Voy body lotion with goat milk extract, alcohol and filtrates free, and it also has vitamin E. Again, smells really good. It smells like it does something for your skin. You know, when a product smells like it actually has good benefits, that's how that smells. I bought this Ryan Blade number 27. It says that it's their version of Black Opium by YSL, and I love Black Opium, so I bought it. I feel like it's not as sweet as Black Opium, but they had the idea. I bought a small baby oil, and of course I bought some perfume oils. So the first one is called Poison, and this one smells so good that I went back and I bought another one. Okay, that's Poison. And then we have Delina. Then we have Jadot. I think. Then we have Baccarat Rouge. This is a repurchase. I love this perfume oil. Okay. Next we have is an essential fragrance oil, and this is an Essence baby powder. Haven't used this as yet, but I just bought it to like smell up my room basically. I bought 2 of these hair oils, biotin and coconut. This is the only floss that I use from Dr. Fresh, and it has 60 flosses in each pack. These were only $10 each, and I usually pay $20 to one in Tokyo. I bought this body glove, you know, like scrub your skin when you're bathing and thing. But this 2-pack of razor blades. These are just some small earrings, and this was $8 for the pack. I have this Cream of Nature strengthening hair mask. So these were 2 for $20. This is a Dreamology wax strips for face. I use it already, and it's, I don't know, maybe I don't know why I don't, but it's like bruised on top of my lip, but for the most part it got the hair off. So yes, this is the Dreamology wax strips for face, and these were 2 for $20. I bought a pack of wedges. I actually buy like a lot of makeup products, but I had to use them for Carnival, so I already opened them and they're already with all my makeup, so I can already show them for the haul. I bought some gloves. This is the Red by Kiss latex gloves, and there are 10 gloves in this pack. And I also bought some more gloves. This was a deal. This was a steal of a deal. I just use gloves to like sometimes when I'm doing makeup, if I don't want to mess up my hands too much, I would use a glove. So I saw this pack of gloves. This is from Blue Sail, and these are their disposable latex gloves, powder free, and this is 100 gloves for $20. That is a steal of a deal. I bought this pack of what do you call these, eyebrow razors. I usually use these to like shave off any peach fuzz and all of that stuff on my face. I bought this pack of hairpins. It has like small hairpins, sorry, I bought this pack of hair clips, which has some small ones and some large ones. I bought the K-Beauty Head Start Smoothing Hydrogel Forehead Patch, and I also bought the Beauty Treats Coconut Ultra Hydrating Shea Butter Mask, which is a wash off formula, contains coconut and lavender with shea butter, moisturizing and softening. I can't wait to try this one. I bought this pack of Croc hair clips in the lavender shade. I bought three of these face creams. One is a day cream, which is the hyaluronic, and then two are the night cream. So these face creams are from the Dead Sea collection, and this one is retinol anti-aging night cream with Dead Sea minerals and paraben free. I haven't used them as yet, so I can't really say how these work, but this is the cream. Then we have the next retinol one. So the packaging is the same, only the outside packaging is different. And then I have the day cream, which is the hyaluronic acid. Okay, and I also have the Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover. Just the usual. These were two for $20. They work good as they usually do to just remove your makeup. And I also bought 2 packs of these baby wipes for $20. I already used a pack. So almost forget, this is just an air freshener from the brand Ultra Compact, which is in the white rose scent, and it smells just very fresh and clean. So yeah, this is the white rose air freshener from Ultra Compact. Okay, so that's it for my haul. I hope that you guys enjoy. Let me know down in the comments if you did, and if you'd like to see more videos like these, you know, a little haul, a little hygiene thing, let me know down in the description box. See you all in my next video.